Hello, my name is Marisa Gingrich and I'm a nurse practitioner here aboard the Dr. Spot. I have been working as a nurse practitioner for the last 4 years. I am very pleased to be working on a mobile unit. I like the opportunity to work with pediatric patients. 10 years ago, I was in a Youth with a Mission in the Uganda, and we went for a walk on an island. And what drew me to nursing was this doctor. He actually was driving up in his truck and he roared up to a stop, and he stopped and he got out and he said, "What are you doing? Blankety blank blank, what are you doing here?" And we went and we stopped, and he pulled up next to this little path, and there were 2 little girls sitting on the rail tie there and a couple. And the doctor's like, "What are you doing here? You see these kids? I am tired of fixing them. They have been selling themselves for food at school, and these aren't even their parents. What are you blankety blank doing about it?" And the rest of us were just sitting there and we were like shocked. We had our mouths open. We didn't know what to say. That impacted me for nursing. A few days ago, a father came with his child to the Dr. Spot, and we were trying to decide what we were going to be able to do for this kid, and he was like, "I don't have a car, I just walked here." And so we had to figure out if we could go ahead and just give the kid the vaccines that day, or if he would have to wait for another week. But it might be a little longer for him to, if we're not there every week. You know, it is a big deal for these families to come to the Dr. Spot and receive care.
The LifeSavers Foundation offers free and accessible health care to some of Dallas's most medically underserved communities. And it's so wonderful too because they offer such a wide variety of services, from flu shots, immunizations, from vision and health screenings. And the LifeSavers Foundation understands that the key to breaking the poverty cycle is through routine and medical health care. And so far alone this year, we've been able to help and serve over 1,600 women and children. Our mobile medical units are funded by an upscale resale store that is owned and operated by LifeSavers Foundation. This is also providing many car seats, diapers, and professional services to so many families in need. And let me tell you, there's some really great things at our donation store. So please come by and check it out. The reason why I love LifeSavers Foundation so much and want to get involved is that it is such a tangible way to help people. Right now, there are so many needs in our community right around the corner from so many of us. And the way that the Mobile Doctor Spot is allowing women to come in and provide care for their children, the Sonogram Unit where women can come in and get free pregnancy tests and a sonogram, is something that's really near and dear to my heart. And I love being able to help people in a tangible way, and they can go home feel that they've been loved on and they've been taken care of.
Good morning, my name is Stacy McNair, and I have baby Howard Jr. right here. Oh, he get all his shots and he up to date on everything. The LifeSavers program provided me with diapers and pampers, water, whatever I need for him, etc., and they have provided for me. When I got in the program, because I was homeless for 2 years, I was living in the back of the church. I came to the church and got saved, and when I got pregnant, I was in the back of the church, and I feel that if I didn't come to the church and be in the program, they're going to take my baby. God gave me another chance to start all over again. Since he like this, he been trying to crawl and walk at the same time, and he real busy.
We have been just fortunate to be able to partner with the LifeSavers Foundation to get this mobile clinic back out in the community. For me, at the Pregnancy Center in Rockwall and Mesquite, many times we see people who have a difficult time coming to us or getting to us. And so we're super excited to be out in the Pleasant Grove area bringing those services to the community. Where we are here, we've got essentials, food, and things like that that are being provided for the community. A pediatric medical clinic on wheels next to us. I love the way the Lord allows us to step into the lives of women through this work of the center. We get to meet them, I feel like, in such a desperate and difficult place sometimes, where maybe a pregnancy brings them to us, but there's just layers and layers of other issues going on in their lives. And I think it's an honor to get to step into those spaces with them and hear about what's going on and try to meet them where they are and just share the hope and love that we have in Christ, and just be able to share that with her.